When you receive your trays back in about 3 weeks, you will also be given about a 2-week, 14-day supply of the whitening syringes that go in the trays that you are to fill them with. What you'll do with these is you'll be careful to not overly insert too much of the material, the whitening gel. And the reason for that is because you use almost a half of a syringe for each whitening period that you do. So a quarter of a syringe for an upper, quarter of a syringe for a lower. And the reason why you want to be careful not to put too much gel is because once this gel goes into the tray and into your mouth, once it becomes the temperature of your mouth, it will tend to liquefy more, so it will flow easier. What happens is people who tend to overfill their trays will often find that they have much salivation happening. Part of that gel is escaping and coming out, and they're uncomfortable at that point. And most of the time you'll need to either dab with a paper towel or even expectorate. So what we'll do, what I like to talk about, is that we use that point, and you always want to fill by just putting either one single dab in all of the outside areas of the teeth. One single dot worth. It's only the outsides of the teeth that people will be able to see. There really is no reason to whiten on the insides of teeth. That would be using more product than necessary. So you'll put all of those dabs, and then you can go back and with the tip, you can just kind of scribble at that dab. And what that's going to do is cover the full surface area of the tooth and teeth that are being whitened. The wonderful thing about this form of whitening is that it can also be very site-specific, pretty similar to makeup and cosmetics again. With this way, if you find that in your arch, your corner teeth happen to be more yellowed than others, and that's a very common area, you eventually can just go and fill those corner teeth to get the proper whitening, so that all teeth will respond at the same time as others, and so that you can just be very specific in where you want to whiten. Also, too, people, if they have cosmetically treated teeth, such as crowns, maybe the front areas, crowns or bonded teeth, you would be able to skip using product in that area, and again, target those teeth that you are specifically looking to have whitened.